Hello, my name is Mr. Gardener. Welcome to my channel. If you find this video useful, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps. Today we're going to look at addition by partitioning. Addition by partitioning. Mr. G, what on earth does partitioning mean? Well, I'll tell you. Partitioning is where you break up a number into separate parts. And the reason we do this sometimes is to make the number more manageable, so that we can use it, or so that we can see it in an easier way, an easier to manage way. So if I started with the number 53, the first question to ask yourself is, what does each number within 53 represent? So we've got 5 and 3. So what does the 3 represent? Well, it represents 3 units. 1, 2, 3. Cool. If that's 3 units, then what does the 5 represent? Obviously, 5 tens. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens. The next step is that we need to add this number to another number now. So if I had the number 25, again, step 1. What does each number represent? We've got 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many tens have we got? 2. 1, 2. So as you can see, we've broken up our number, we've partitioned our number into tens and into units. The next step is to add our number together using the parts that we've created. So I find it easier to add the units first. So how many units have we got? Count with me. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We've got 8 units. And how many tens have we got? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We've got 7 tens. So our answer is 78. Sometimes it's easier to be able to see a number visually rather than see it in an abstract way. So next time we're going to talk about adding using the column method. But before we go, I'm going to leave another sum on the board for you, on the screen for you, and I want you to have a go yourself. So pause the video once I've written it and have a go, and then comment your answer in the comments. See you soon.